something like this. Without burning my hand to hell. Seesawing this. That's why I'm wearing a glove. If I wasn't, my hand would be cooked by radiating heat pretty quick. It doesn't have to be a clean cut, as long as we get a cut. I can clean it up with forging it after. This is called the cutting block of the anvil. That's what this step is for in London pattern anvils, if you're curious. For those who don't have those on your anvil, you have a saddle that goes over this and you cut on that. That's one way you can tell between a Yahoo self-taught blacksmith or someone who learned from self-taught versus classically trained blacksmiths. Almost. Quasi-law, as we say in Brazil, quasi-law. Should quench that, but I don't have water at the moment. So there's that part. Guys ready for the cool part? Ah! Just like that. And that's how you cut.